So we're dished with a question like this. Now, I'm sure when we first saw this question, we all thought, how on earth am I going to solve this? And I thought the same. I thought of a lot of things. I thought of a lot of principles that I remember in math. When I first saw this question, the first thing that came to my mind was what we learnt in junior school about vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite. So simply, we're just going to put it like this. So this will be 95 too, if you remember very well. And if you now turn this paper again, you see an angle on a straight line, which is this 95. So we can simply say 180 minus 95. That this angle, this angle here will now be 85. Do you agree? So this is 85. So since it's vertically opposite, this will also be 85. Now, one thing I want to do is I want to draw this same question again, but I want us to get something out of this, and I'll show you in the next cut. Now, you notice I made one part of this whole thing bold, and we're getting somewhere with this question. Remember, this angle here is x. Now we can label these two angles. Let's label this angle here E, and since these two angles are in the same segment, we are safe to say that this is equal to this. So we can also say that this is A. Now, same thing here. This is in the same segment as this, so we can simply say that this is X. Now, I want to bring something out. This is a straight line, and angles on a straight line, will always sum up to 180, right? Always sum up to 180. So in that case, this other side here, since we don't know the x, will just be 180 minus x. Now, you know I said I'm going to bring out this whole triangle. Now note these vertices. I'm going to bring it out. Now when you bring out this portion here, the 180 minus x is 60, and the a, you get this. Now I've gotten this. Now I want us to remember something again about a triangle, that the sum of angles in a triangle will always give us 180. So that means we're saying if we add all these elements inside this triangle, we're going to get 180. So that is 180 is equals to 180 minus x plus a plus 60. Now if you carry 180 to the other side, this will get out, this two will get out. So that will be 0 is equals to minus x plus a plus 60. Now I want us to carry everything to the other side, so we can make a the subset of formula. So that will be a equals 60. A equals x minus 60. Now I want us to remember this. Now I'm going to bring out another triangle from this question, and that will be this triangle here. Follow my hand. I'm going to bring this triangle out. I'm going to bring it out. Now I've brought out that triangle. As you can see, that was the triangle that was here. 85 EX. You can also say it's this triangle, 85 A and X. We're going to follow the same principle. Sum of angles in a triangle is 180. But now remember, we already have an expression for A. So anywhere we see A, we are safe to put. Anywhere we see A, we are safe to put this x minus 60 there. So simply, we're going to do this. We're going to put A inside here. So that will now be 180. Remember, sum of angles in a triangle is 180. That 180 is equals to 85 plus A plus X. But now that we have a value for A, 180 will now be equal to 85 plus x minus 60, because remember here we got A is equal to x minus 60, so we put it here. 85 plus x minus 60 representing the A plus the same x. Now if you do 85 minus 60, you get 25, and x plus x is 2x, and we get 180. We're now going to do 180 minus 25 equals 2x. 155 equals 2x. The Bible says by 2, x is equal to 77.5. Now, note, I am not sure of this answer. I am only like 75% sure. So if you feel it, don't come and meet me. Yeah.